Tonight on the Cleetus McFarland YouTube channel, Jack Stan goes flying. The dash in my truck decides it no longer wants to live. And 3 idiots try to back up a trailer. Some say they're still trying to back those trailers up today. Hell yeah, brother. You're on the Cleetus McFarland YouTube channel.
Hey guys, today's video is sponsored by DraftKings. Whether you're cheering on your favorite team or just love the thrill of college football, DraftKings has an offer that's perfect for game day. Right now, all new customers who bet just $5 instantly get $200 in bonus bets. Now that's something we can all celebrate. My personal touchdown celebration looks like this. Woo! Down here in Florida, we got a bunch of teams to choose from, so we're always good to go. Guys, download the DraftKings Sportsbook now. And guys, new customers can bet just $5 and instantly get $200 in bonus bets. If sports betting is not yet available in your state, don't worry. DraftKings is the one-stop shop for all things daily fantasy, where you can join in on all the fun and have a shot at winning some cash prizes. Download the DraftKings Sports app now. New customers use my promo code Cleetus, and when you spend just $5, you'll get $200 in bonus bets instantly. That's promo code Cleetus, only at DraftKings Sportsbook. Let's get to the live action. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day 1 of the challenges, the competition of our $5,000 truck challenge. As you know, we went to Texas and we bought these 4 beautiful trucks, and today we're going to be competing to find out which one is the best. Now, there's been a lot of problems since we bought these trucks. In fact, Squirrel and I were stranded right in Lafayette, Louisiana. We had to tow this Dodge back. And you guys saw we put a new motor in it. We ended up about $300 over budget, which I know you guys are all a little upset about. But we have a solution.
Yep.
Like we told you. Just this morning, we cut the catalytic converter off of Zach and Ty's Ford Ranger, and we're back. Sold that baby for $350.
No, you did not.
Sure did.
Yes, we did, buddy.
What the heck?
Fire it up. Fire it up.
You think this is really gonna affect us?
No, we're good.
No.
Not even worried. If anything, it's gonna increase your performance.
Header.
Well, we wanted to get as much money as we could.
One
Alright.
or 2 sensors.
So,
you got
as
no
long-
2 sensors.
As long as you guys think that's fair for us to do that.
That is not fair.
Fair.
Hold on. Hold on. Give it to the refs.
We got referees.
We got referees.
I got budget. I'll
Okay.
take care of this.
Oh yeah, let's huddle up. Let's huddle up then on this one.
Oh, is that right? Yeah.
Really?
Oh.
Is that gonna pass?
Are we good?
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Thanks.
Let that go.
All right.
Let that go.
So we're legal. We're legal. Today we're going to be doing some racing on the oval, drag racing in the field, and also a tug of war. But let's start off with our first challenge of the day by walking over to the back of the trucks. Come on, guys. So back here, you'll see hooked up to each of our trucks, we have a trailer from our buddies at Wright Trailers, and each trailer is loaded with 4 55-gallon drums of water. So we got about 2,000 pounds of water on the back of each of these, and as you can tell, these boys,
There are some effects.
these boys in the Ranger
Don't worry about
Struggling.
are struggling.
Don't worry about
Look,
that.
we
We
still
still
have
have a truck bed. We can put them in the
Forgot
truck
that
bed.
a truck to do truck stuff needs a hitch.
Yeah,
Yeah.
here's the deal. It's a truck challenge. You got to be able to test your truck's durability to do what trucks do, towing a trailer. So there's 2 parts of this challenge. We're going to be racing for position. So the same way as our other challenges, you get 3 points for first place, 2 points for second, 1 point for third, and 0 points for fourth place. And you can earn those points by not only finishing the race by your position, but our referees are also going to be coming in here and measuring how much water you have left in your barrel. And there will be an additional set of points given out for who has the most water left in their barrel. You guys got that?
Got it.
Yep, so
Are you doing 3, 2, 1, 0 on the water? How you
2,
doing
1,
that?
0,
Like
same
same
deal.
racing? So,
Same deal.
okay. So basically, you could win 6 points in the first round.
You could win 6
mean,
points
you
can,
right now.
Wow.
This is
I didn't know that.
challenge.
All right.
Whew.
No rules.
Do you own these trailers? You own them?
I own the trailers.
Last thing we should have said to
Okay.
Gage.
You hear me on that? No rules.
No rules.
No
There are
rules.
no rules. Whoever finishes first gets those points. Whoever has the most water gets those points.
remember,
Suit up, boys.
Suit up.
Number 1 in the Ram,
That's
baby.
right.
Number 1.
Happy Magnum Brothers.
Magnum Brothers. Magnum Brothers. Magnum Brothers. You know, these guys have been hating a lot
I know.
about our Ram. That baby's dialed in right now. Okay?
It's dialed.
She's dialed in.
You're done.
Boy, getting suited up.
Get ready to go, dude. Hey, I have a question for you.
Huh.
I have a question.
Low on water already.
Hole in one of my barrels over there. How much of a threat to you, huh?
You have a hole in one?
Yeah, there's already a hole in it.
Where's it leaking?
Right here. Look.
Well, you're. Oh, a little splash,
Oh,
really.
idiot.
Real mature.
Look at this one.
People don't want to see this in a wet t-shirt, I can tell you that.
Get in your truck, you big old idiot.
Maybe they do.
Here we go. We got our drivers getting lined up. Ty already moving pretty quick. You better not spill no water. No, he's losing water. He's losing water. You got a leak, bud.
You lost a lot of water. I'm gonna try to just avoid our trailer getting hit. I don't think we have the most power, so I'm gonna try to throw
Okay.
water.
All right, I like it. Honestly, anything works. Belt sounds good. What's our referee doing?
Oh boy, here we go.
Oh my gosh! The Ranger is struggling. James ain't moving. The Dodge is way out front.
Oh, but there's a lot of water. Oh! Oh, my trailer!
Oh no. The F-250's right there. We are gonna be low on water.
Oh my gosh, this is so sketch! Heavy trailer sway, boys. Jake's powering through.
Oh my gosh, the F-250 has the power. Come on, the Magnum. The trailer is sliding everywhere.
Oh my goodness. Oh no! This is so sketch! My trailer's swaying bad!
Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Just an old 7.3, get her done!
JH Diesel out front, Cleet in a close second. Wow, the trailers are really doing a lot of swaying around. All the way in the back.
I'm losing power! I'm losing power! Dodge's overheating or something! Oh! Jack's hands on me! Oh!
Side by side, James and Cleetus. The Ranger has fallen to last place.
Oh!
gosh!
Let's go, baby!
Clee with a hardcore pit maneuver causes him the last place. Unfortunately. Oh, JH doing a celebratory burnout right now.
Hey, we need them tires, bud.
Brother, what happened out there? You psychopath!
No, dude, we were doing so good.
I know.
And then the truck went into like low power mode or something. I reset the key. They're on me, dude. They're like,
I've seen.
me, and I lost control.
Well, it looked like he went for a hardcore pit on jack stand.
Well, I was trying to spill his water.
I know, I seen, but it costed us. But you know what? That's okay. We definitely have the least amount of water now.
Yikes.
Oh, there's not a lot of
Dude, what happened?
It's gonna be quick. 6 inches.
6 inches of water?
Well, this is actually the
Wait,
worst one.
hold on. Did I get last or what did I get?
Unofficially, way last.
No!
Way
Not even
last.
close.
We got last in the race and the water.
There's nothing. I don't know. There's
Man,
You got one. That's
holy smokes. You were doing so good.
that
Hold
was
on.
last.
So JH got first.
I got second.
You got second. You're so lucky my truck went into low power mode. You were never catching me.
Never. See how quick I caught you?
You were, yeah, but I was 10 car lengths ahead of you.
Yeah, yeah.
And then
there was
low power
no
mode.
gap.
Hold on. Who has the most water left? If JH doubles down right now.
Oh
that's
no, that would be
really bad.
terrible.
If I do, I'm probably getting kicked out of the competition already. We'll see though. I'm sure there'll be something.
a lot.
Oh, jack stand had a good bit of water, I feel like.
Oh, no, he's got a shit ton.
Jackson does or JH?
JH.
Oh, I just on a Sunday drive out there.
He cheated.
Yeah.
I haven't figured out how yet, but he cheated.
I was going for him with some Magnum.
All right, what's the results?
You lost all your barrels?
Yeah.
He's only got one barrel with 14 inches of water in it.
I'm sorry, my truck has
6 inches.
My truck has the
6
lowest.
inches?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, my truck has the lowest towing capacity out of all these. All right, what do we got? What do we got?
All right. Last place.
Damn it.
Well, we got 2 different categories. Last place in the race. That'd be Cleet and Squirrel.
Okay.
Last.
That's all right.
That's my bad.
All right.
Yeah,
that one's on me.
That's all right. That's all right.
3rd place, Ty and Zach.
Okay.
That's
2nd place, James and Sam.
All right.
And 1st place in the race would be JH Diesel and Eason.
Boo.
Now to the water. All right. Last place,
about that.
6 inches. Cleet and Squirrel.
Damn it, man.
6 out of, I don't know,
Something's wrong with our
160.
trailer.
3rd place, 37 inches. Zach and Ty. 2nd place, 48 inches. Sam and James. And first, at 77 inches strong, JH and Eason.
Let's go.
Yes. All the points.
Hemi brothers.
I'm not soaked right
This
now.
is kind of quiet.
Not soaked right
I
now.
don't hear a lot of celebrating.
Yeah.
Dude, I got 4 points.
Okay.
We got 0.
How many points do I have?
6.
You have 6
You got
points.
all of them. You
All
got
right.
6 points.
All right. Let's get to our next challenge. Obviously, the first challenge was totally botched. Did not go as planned at all.
Yeah.
Next challenge, 1 lap, reverse race with your trailer. Go ahead and unload your trailers and line up on the start finish.
See, we were just preparing for this one.
We know we got it in the bag.
Easy win right
We
here,
got it
buddy.
in the bag. Let's
That's
unload our
right.
trailer.
All right, let's do it.
Not gonna lie, brother, I think I got it in the wall a little bit.
Oh yeah, your trailer kissed the wall? Yeah. You got a little.
Lost
All right.
our front license plate.
Oh man.
On my trailer.
Dude, I totally didn't mean to hit you out there.
All right,
That was my bad.
it was great. And I seen you loop out afterwards.
I came across the finish line and I looked back and you were just, I'm like, what's he doing back there?
Get your truck and trailer ready, dude.
We're ready.
Oh, this boy's gonna be struggling. I already know it.
I won't let you down.
I know you won't. I know you won't. Referee is ready. Drivers are ready. 1 lap in reverse.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my gosh! James Jackknife! JH is struggling. I knew my driver had it. The only one who knows how to drive a truck. Oh my gosh, I'm dead. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Nice and slow, keeping calm, keeping the trailer straight. These guys literally. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, my stomach hurts already. Clean, Ty, clean. Look at this. Look at the lead. We got a 1. Oh my gosh. What in the world is he doing? Both of them. Cleetus just dominating right now. JH kind of getting the hang of it. I hear a lot of... Ty lost his trailer. Literally lost his trailer. Unbelievable. Come on, Cleet, we need these 3 points. There we go. Cleet's still doing great. Smooth as silk. Jackson getting the hang of it here in turn 1. Ty, not sure what he's doing. Cleetus coming through the finish line for the win! Without a scratch on the trailer. I mean, didn't even phase him. Oh my goodness! Ty's got his trailer chained up, no rules. That's working really good. Can he pass JH? Oh my gosh! JH in turn 4.
I'm done.
I know, my boy, first place.
I told you I wouldn't let you down.
Dude, look at what's going on here. He's about to pass JH.
I mean, he is backing up.
He's backing up.
This is going to be a tough one for the referees here.
Oh my God.
Everybody watch out. Watch out, guys.
No way.
Listen, I don't know why that would be illegal. I don't know why.
Second place.
Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we're good.
All right.
That's no big deal.
Brother.
I can't see, I got a top.
I forgot he has a topper.
And he lost his mirror in the first 2 seconds of the race.
I broke my mirror off right here. So I can only see it on one side.
I didn't even realize you can't see through your
Nope.
We were gonna pull it off, but then we went. So within the rules, he was in reverse and he had the trailer. So technically,
Is there any deductions for
Really?
losing your trailer?
there was nothing in the
There wasn't
rules.
anything said about
You
it.
never said. You literally said no rules to start this off.
So you're gonna allow
Oh,
it.
that's clean. It was clean.
Second place.
Okay, so we have
So we got
Wait, what?
clean squirrel, first place.
Right, baby, that's right.
Second place.
Let's go!
All right, Zach. And Todd.
dude, Ty
With the
on fly there.
third, and we got a DNF for James and Sam.
Yeah. All right. Okay. I can
Second
work with
place
that.
pretty tight.
You guys are awful at backing up, by the way. You specifically.
My neck hurts bad.
All right. Now that we've settled the trailer shenanigans for the day, before we head out to do our off-road barrel race, we're gonna do one more thing everyone loves to do with their truck, and that's the tug of war.
Yeah.
But Squirrel and I, we want to call our 20-minute timeout. We got something we got to do to our truck real quick. All right.
All right, got 20 minutes.
All right.
Time
We'll see
out.
you down here in a
Start the
minute
timer.
for the tug of war.
Let's go get a 20-minute timeout.
Time for our secret weapon. Brought this from the house.
Squirrel had this giant truck bed pool
Yep.
at home, so we're gonna put it in the bed of the truck to give us more weight for the tug of war.
Perfect.
One of our truck's probably the lightest. Oh, the Ranger might be lighter, but
We need
it's
it.
gonna get us.
We're so far behind right now.
I know, and it's my fault.
Plus it's hot out here. It ain't your fault, man. It's the Magnum. If it was a Hemi, that wouldn't happen,
limp
you
mode
know?
for 10 seconds is better than limp mode for
The rest of the
the
time.
rest of the race. Well, actually, we still got laps.
Yeah, so I guess it wouldn't matter.
Yeah, squirrel. Lower them tires. Oh! Oh, damn.
Yeah, we got a cut in that one.
Almost lost some sidewall there.
Not good.
It's all right. She's holding.
Think that's enough air out of them?
Yep.
Little surface area.
That's right. That's right. Contact patch.
Put all that water in the back.
It's all right. Hey, we're looking good.
All right, give me a little more. More. Oh! Here, do it.
Hit it.
More. Oh! Hold it there. That's good.
So this thing says 2,000 pounds. We're gonna fill it all the way up. How to pool? Oh, damn!
Great.
My boy did a cannonball in the rim. I can tell you this, the truck's sitting like this.
Yeah. Don't hit the brakes too hard. You're gonna get wet in
That's
there.
all I'm saying. I'm trying to keep the momentum just perfect.
Man, I'm living the dream out here. Whoa! Rock the boat, baby.
I think we might win this tug of war.
We're gonna win this tug of war, bud.
Here they come. Idiots, dude. It's pouring water.
Oh my
gosh. That thing's about to blow the rear end out. Look at the tires. Idiot. Dude, they aired down.
Hey boys!
How you guys doing?
Hey!
Oh
That's
my
right.
gosh.
We got your local swimming pool in the back of the Magnum.
You guys wanna take a dip?
Hit a cannonball.
You got
All right.
a hole in there, bud?
We're ready for a tug of war. Who wants it first? Anybody? Any takers? Any takers? I'm ready.
I know who I want.
Nah, we'll take Jay's last.
The Ranger.
The Ranger. Line it up.
Take on the
Ranger
Little
versus Ram right now.
Woo!
Remember to put her in 4 low when we get over there, all right?
The trick is I keep my mirrors down on his little Ranger tires. Once he starts spinning, I'm snatching that little unit.
All right, first one's bumper to get drugged past that barrel. Oh, the Ranger is getting drugged. That's right, baby. Yeah. Yeah.
Spinning ain't winning, boy. I didn't want to stop.
Let's go, squirrel. Let's go, squirrel. Let's go, brother.
Easy win. I'll get wet for that.
That was nice. That was nice. Hey, who's next? Where's he at? Pull that truck up, Jackson. Pull it up. They're tight. Yeah, squirrel, hit it. Squirrel, hit it. That's right. Yeah. That's right. Oh, squirrel's not stopping. Hey, good job. Good job out there.
Hey,
Now,
Dodge Magnum, brother.
now we face the F-250.
Yeah, we do. We need some dry ground.
Yeah. Here we go. Ram versus F-250. Yep. Oh no. Yep, work it, squirrel. Work it, squirrel. Oh no. Oh no. No! Damn it! Damn it. I suppose that kind of settles it then. Just James and Ty have to go.
Exactly.
He's first place.
sir.
We're second.
Yep. So we need James and Ty. We need you guys
James
back.
and Ty.
Tiebreaker for
Yeah,
tiebreaker.
tiebreaker for third here. Here we go, the battle for third. Battle for third. I can see James.
I think James got it. Uh-oh.
He's spinning.
Uh-oh.
The Ranger might get it.
He keeps being heavy on that
test from the Silverado. Ranger pulled him a whole length.
He did. Fair enough.
I mean, Ranger boy got it. Him at Poland, I guess.
Hey, look, he pulled you.
Look, you were just sitting there.
You
like
ended
a brick,
about
dude.
15 feet.
We would have been
You
sitting there. He just said it himself, sitting there like a brick.
Just sitting there like a brick.
We would have been here till the next truck challenge.
All right.
As a matter of fact, we're done. But you know what? That's it.
Wow.
Get in the trucks. Let's go.
Here we go.
No points for both of you.
Points
No
total.
super either.
5 points for Cleetus Squirrel, 5 points for Ty and Zach, 4 points for Jack, Stan, and Sam, 10 points for JH and Easy.
Man.
Wow. That's fair. Okay, for our last challenge of the day, guys, we're gonna go out into the front field for the ultimate drag race barrel race. We're gonna take you to the front field where we got a lot more room and some jumps. Let's go up there. Although we lost that first challenge bad,
Yeah.
we're not sitting bad anymore. But also, we didn't race like a bunch of wussies like JH.
Yeah.
Like make
literally,
zero contact the whole race.
I was thinking, like, are you even a YouTuber?
Yeah.
You know?
I was
Are you
wondering that
scared?
too.
Are you scared
How
to race?
scared can you be to not have contact in a full contact truck race?
The biggest truck of all, and he's the scariest one of all.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm pretty disappointed.
I heard he wears thongs every day.
I heard that too. All right, guys, we're out here for the Great Barrel Race to finish off today's first truck challenge competition episode. Today, what our contestants will be doing is starting here in between these two barrels. Okay? They take off. They go around that barrel. They go across the field to that barrel, across the field to in between those trees, down to between those two barrels, and then back through where I stand right here where there is a jump. Our referees are gonna be timing this. It's a 1 lap deal. From a stop and then through the finish line, they will stop the timer there. Whatever time you get, fastest gets the most points. Let's get to it. JH is up first.
All right.
Here we go.
The referee has the timer.
I got it.
You got the timer?
I don't know, but we'll give it a whirl.
3, 2, 1, go. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, baby!
Strong takeoff. Strong start.
Oh. Front suspension's a little shaky.
He's going pretty fast.
Wow, he's cooking. I'm not gonna lie.
He is cooking.
Okay.
Oh gosh, it looks rough.
Man, that thing's taking it like nothing. Oh!
Oh! What was that? What was that? Something's broke. Something broke! I think he broke a front.
It broke the front end.
It's broke? Oh my gosh!
He's got a wheel on the loose.
Oh my gosh,
Wow,
dude.
he had something broken for sure in the front end.
Yeah, end's broke.
Wow.
Brother, what do you think? You killed it! Dude, your headlights fell out! Dude, what broke?
I saw parts flying off everywhere. The 4-wheel drive quit working. I don't know.
Something for sure broke.
All that was in the back.
Something for sure broke in your front.
Oh yeah, she's got it ready for your time.
What was his time? Yeah.
39.45.
Jeez Louise.
Don't know if that's fast.
He was
I don't know if
not.
that's good or not.
It was definitely pretty good, I can tell you that.
Wasn't good for your truck. That's for sure.
I
Jeez.
gotta say, I'm impressed.
Yeah, me too. I hope we have what it takes, dude.
Broke my brand new cooler.
All right.
All right, up next, Jack, Stan, Jimmy in the Silverado.
Every panel on his truck is
Pulling up.
vibrating.
Jack, Stan, Jimmy off a sight lap. Feeling good? GoPro on?
GoPro's on.
Seatbelt tight?
Guys, it's gonna get.
Here we go, everybody.
3, 2, 1, go!
Wow, two-wheel drive. There's the nitrous.
Off to a slow start.
Yeah, that thing, I mean, two-wheel drives.
I don't know if he stays in
Power
it.
now.
If he stays in it.
Oh, copper's looking loose.
Ones are coming up. The good ones.
These are the strong ones here.
Yep.
They were for me.
Oh! Stuffed it a little bit there. Here we go. Through the
Oh my God.
Jackson! Ow!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Jackson! Jimmy! Brother!
Brother!
My dude!
Hey, what I said? I told you I was gonna air it out.
You aired it out!
You aired it out big time! Let's freaking go, Jackson!
Let's get the time! Let's get the time!
You're at a 40.37.
Dang,
Behind
dude!
Sage. He was close.
If it weren't for the start, you would have been way out.
Yeah, he would have beat him. Damn. All right, Zach, you're up, buddy.
All right, let's see what you got,
Wow.
boys.
Don't pen. Don't
Wow.
lift, bud.
Holy
Oh
shnikes.
my goodness
Jackson,
gracious,
don't
dude. Daggone GMC. Ain't nothing like it.
Third, I ran out of gear in second. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I knew I was gonna air that thing out. Dude, that was just top of second on the kit.
Yeah, that was so perfect.
That is a booter, dude.
Look where you landed.
I hit that booter. I'm like, oh, dude, I'm flying. And then it came down. I'm like, oh, I was really flying because it did. Dude.
That's one of Florida's natural jumps.
Yep, love this place.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ty and Zach's Ford Ranger up next. We got 39 seconds, proving to be tough to beat.
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh! With the whole shot.
No, this is the race.
Oh man, it's looking really good for the Ranger right now.
It's not looking bad at all. Danger Ranger.
Oh, he's cooking. He is cooking.
This is Baja.
Damn! He's got the Baja draft behind him.
Suspension working.
Oh! Oh my gosh, dude.
I think he's got it.
I think he's got this. Golly! Oh my gosh!
Absolutely clean run.
Oh my gosh!
Let's wait for him to get
Oh
back.
my! Dude, he got it! He got it!
Wow, Ty.
He took the lead.
That is why we got a Ford Ranger right there.
That was impressive.
That's a Baja Mobile.
Wow.
Good job.
What do we got?
35.
No way! The Ranger is in first place.
Didn't even leave first.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
35.
You got a tall task. You got some seconds. That's a fast time to be. That's a long jump I did, buddy. You better tighten up. Hey,
I know what I have to do.
That's all
I know
that
what I have
matters.
to do. All right, boys. There ain't really a trophy truck suspension on this thing.
Brother, you cannot lift.
I know.
We are way too far behind right now.
I know.
Hey, what's the time to beat again? 35 seconds. 35.5? Yep. Good luck.
Don't even think about it.
Hey, give me, brother. 3, 2, 1, go! You might just out of steer.
There we go. Get in the RPMs, baby.
Right there. Look. Oh.
Clean. Oh my gosh, it's like a commercial.
Come on, baby. The ran commercial in 01, buddy. Like, look how fast.
Oh.
I don't know.
Come on, brother.
Oh!
Come on, brother.
Buddy.
Floor it, floor it, floor it.
Come on! He's cooking. I don't know when to fell out.
Yeah! Yeah! Dodge Magnum, baby! That's a win right there. That's a win right there, boy.
That's a good run.
That's a winning run right there. Come on. Come on with it, Cleet. That's a winning run right there, brother.
Are you getting out for this one?
He's getting out.
Getting out.
All right, let's see.
35.8.
Damn! Oh, what? Dang it!
Dang, dude. That was fast. I was worried. 35.8. I was really worried.
Hold up.
Man.
Didn't I hear as a bonus point
Yeah,
for long jump?
we need to huddle up. 1 point. Your dash
Was that inside the truck?
Yeah, my dash hit me in the
Oh.
face. I had to chuck it out.
We didn't know what it was.
The old Dodge dashboard.
We thought it
dude.
was a clean truck, but that's one of the cheap covers.
Yeah, it had a dash cover. We were hiding that.
About the cover, because if we sell this, we want everyone to think it's got a good
Okay,
Dodge
okay.
dash. If you look at the dash, it's actually good.
It's actually not bad.
It's not bad. We just have the cover on it,
Dude,
So it
that
doesn't
is
get bad.
hilarious.
so it doesn't get bad.
Wait, what was their time? 35 what?
35.5.
5. Wow.
Yeah, I missed this.
See, you lifted too many times, brother. You got scared in the turns.
They said the smoothest. Oh, what? That's what the judges just said. Well, the whole
Oh, if it's
Further than the next corner.
smoothest, it's the Dodge all day.
Dude, the Ranger almost didn't even jump. It's so tough.
Nah, dude, the Dodge easy smoothest jump.
All right, so right off the rip, we got Ty and Zach with 3 points. We got Cleetus Squirrel, 2 points. We got JH and Easton, 1 point. James and Sam, 0 points, but they get the point for the jump. Yeah! The point for the jump. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So as it stands right now, in first, we got JH and Easton, 11 points. We got Ty and Zach, 8 points. Cleet and Squirrel, 7 points. James and Sam, 5 points. Lucky that thing wouldn't jump. I was trying to
Man,
all right.
I'm not ready to call it a day.
Calling it a day.
Dang
Calling it a day. We got a whole nother episode of challenges coming up. Is everybody's truck good?
JH.
JH might
I think I broke
need
a hub. I think I broke a hub. So not a big
You
deal.
have budget left to fix that?
I do.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Jack Sanders is good.
That's golden, dude. I'll hit this jump again and need me 230.
We're good on the jump. Okay, guys, we will return soon with the second episode of the $5,000 truck challenge competitions. I think today went well. However, I'm pretty pissed off about JH being in first.
Yeah, me too.
Really, that first challenge was just not ideal. A lot of issues happened. James went into neutral. I was counting on him to get ahead of him. He didn't even hit another trailer. I mean, what kind of sportsmanship is that?
He's a nerd.
He's a nerd.
But I'm giving my trailer, I'm gifting my trailer to the refs. So
You don't own your trailer.
That's not, that is
The refs.
definitely, that's against the law, literally.
That's
against
literally
federal
stealing.
law to bribe referees, okay?
I didn't tell them that before.
Guys, we're ending off today's video there before any more BS happens. We'll be back with the truck challenge soon. Let us know what challenges you want to see next for the trucks in the comments below. Thanks for watching Do It For Dale. We'll frickin' see you later.